Yo guys, welcome back to the gang. Gang. It's your boy Tanem School, and in today's video we're doing something different. As you know, I've been away for a bit. My video consistency has been a bit, you know what I'm saying, because I've been dealing with some personal stuff, you know what I'm saying, some stuff that I needed to take care of. But you know, we moved, so for this month it's gonna be a bit, you know what I'm saying, things are not gonna be as fast, you know what I'm saying. You're not gonna be getting likely like 4 to 5 videos a week. I know, and I'm sorry, but it is what it is. And today we're doing something different. We're gonna be reviewing a brand that I didn't know of, but when I went on the website, I liked it. Big shout out to Hannah Martin's watch, you know what I'm saying. They contacted me on Instagram to collaborate, and yeah, they sent me a watch of my choice, you know what I'm saying. So we're about to open it and see what the real deal is. You feel what I'm saying? So it's about time to see if this watch is the real deal, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's open it. Okay. That's right. Okay. It comes in. Do you know what I'm saying? Hannah Martin. Not bad. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Yeah, let's open it. Okay. You better not disappoint me. So yeah, it comes with a little card. What's inside the card? You know they got, you know what I'm saying, they got a little design thing, you know what I'm saying? Not bad. Really not that bad. I'm not gonna go through all that. I'm not gonna read through all that. You guys want to see the watch. I know that's all you want. That's all you came here for. You don't care about me. Thank God, first thing is that it's not light. It's kind of heavy. So, why yeah? Bumbleclat. Hey yo, look at this now, man. Look at this, brethren. It's got plastic on it, but blood clad. This watch nice, you know. I did not expect this level of niceness, you know. Raw. It's I see what they mean by it's a luxury watch brand. You know what I'm saying? Like, just look at how beautiful it is. We're about to take the plastic off now. Do you know what I'm saying? Okay, it's like there's like a film around it. It's not even glue or anything. It's like a film. You feel what I'm saying? Really smart. See this? You see this beauty? You see this beauty here? You know one thing I already respect here, like, you can tell that they put a lot of time in it. Do you know what I mean? They covered it properly. This is not some cheap B-Tech watch, bruv. This is the real deal, fam. You get me? No. This, you pull it out. Okay. It's about time to put it on. I wonder if you guys can even see the watch. Do you know what I mean? First of all, let's analyze it a bit. Stainless steel looking. It's got the Hannah Martin logo inside. The camera is not focusing on it. The bracelet is just simply beautiful and simple. Simply beautiful. Let's put it on. Okay. Oh yeah, it's got this, in case you didn't know. This basically allows you to adjust. This part allows you to adjust the wristband, do you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's put it on. Okay. me take off the gloves. That's right, baby. Always remember, put a watch. When you put a watch on, you put a watch on your left. That's a gentleman advice, you know what I'm saying? You don't want to go places and look crazy, you know what I'm saying? There you go. Yeah. Right, okay, that's nice. But we're gonna do something, guys, okay? This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna adjust it real quick and make it my size, okay? Telling you guys, mine's a professional with watches, bruv. Okay. Hold on. If I put it here. Okay. Yeah, this level is calm. Okay guys, so I made it tighter. Now I'm gonna put it to the test. You need to screw it up. Feel like you have to put it here. Yeah, that's right. And then once you do that, yeah, this is like automatic. And yeah, that's it, guys. This watch is actually better than what I expected. I'll put the link down in the description. Use my discount code to get a certain percentage off. So yeah. There you go. More up close. You know what I'm saying? This is the ultimate trip, baby. Ultimate trip for me. There's one more detail that I forgot to add is that this watch is water resistant, so you can go up to 30 meters, and yeah, it should be alright. And make sure that the crown here, which is located here, is locked. You know what I mean? So yeah, guys, I know y'all peeped the trip. You get what I'm saying? I know y'all peeped the trip. I'm not gonna lie to you. I had my doubts about this brand, but guess what? Hannah Martin, you did not disappoint me. Do you know what I'm saying? I love these watches. You did a good job. I thought the job was not going to be good, but you did a good job. Yeah. So guys, if you want to get a discount on this watch, do you know what I'm saying? Go down in the description, click the link and use my code TENAMSCO25. TENAMSCO25. Do you know what I'm saying? The link will be down in the description. Get your 25% off. Do you know what I'm saying? Because this is luxury watch for a reason. This is not no £50 watch. Nah, brother. This is not £40, bro. Yeah. Nah. Yeah. Nah. But obviously, man's got a discount. Man will nice you. You get what I'm saying? So go down in the description, baby. And I'm out.